as most Russian troops bail at the first sight of trouble. As a Ukrainian FPV drone struck a Russian tank, these operators did not give up as easily. While the tank was seriously hit, causing first heavy smoke, the crew aimed for a lay, but as the smoke turned to a more clear fire, the crew should just have bailed out. As the tank will be lost anyway, either by burning up, or the tank getting heavily damaged from the fire, and then getting its electronic destroyed in the water, while most likely being abandoned there for a while, if not permanently. But as the tank reaches the water, it doesn't go deep enough, letting the fire on the turret keep going, letting the already heavily damaged tank to keep getting destroyed, both by the fire and water, resulting in another of Russia's tanks getting destroyed, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.